A different lifestyle now. Shot of money make the girls fall out.
Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion.
Back at it again, I don't know, say Kxng Nuke there, and today we're there on the Mobay side. We're gonna do a public interview. We're gonna ask the girl them how heavy is the buff. You don't know anything girl already. Some girl have a slim buff, some girl have a fat buff, some girl have it. I don't know a buff them is already. You see me? So subscribe, like, share the video, tell a friend them about the video. I don't know, say Kxng Nuke there, and I'm out. Peace.
2,000 years later.
Back at it again, I don't know, say Kxng Nuke there. I'm there with Jay. Alright, the first question I ask you is, look for me good. You rate me 1 to 10. Not for how I dress, but for how I look. I better give me a low number, me I beg you.
No, me
Yeah, look good. My ear look good today, so I'm afraid. You say look for me from the side, I'm afraid bigger fuck, so you have to look for me from straight.
You know, say you can't do it.
Oh, say lies.
I can't do it. Which number? Much I give me that 10?
You can't. You can't number it, but you can't do it.
I can't do it. Alright, that sounds decent. So the real question more I ask you today is, do you remember a question, dog? Oh yeah, how heavy is the buff? Like how heavy? 100 pounds, 200, 500. Like if you drop in a man, so you go to drop me a gang, sir.
You know, say. You mean it advance, you want to buy one tight and come back?
No, you know what you buy? You say you want it.
You can't see it, you can't see it in the store.
Oh no, you can't see it good. Because I can't see it, you know. I can't see it, it's up there, you see it. Give me a 360 now.
What?
Come in,
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Alright, bet. Show it with the Instagram.
Where name again? Underscore J A dot E dot underscore.
Alright, everybody, I don't know. Follow her on the gram, you see it.
Underscore.
Alright, back at it again. I don't know. Say Kxng Nuke there. I'm there with
Tasha.
Alright, so first question me I ask is, am I cute enough to be your boyfriend?
If you're cute enough.
Yeah. That look like I know.
Yeah,
looks. No, me not talk about it. Alright, me not talk. No, God, man, you not fear deal with me, sir. You not fear deal with me, sir. Just talk about the looks. Alright, me not bad looking. Alright, me ask you one last question. Does size matter?
Yeah.
Alright, so what's the average size for you?
From 8 up.
Cap.
Alright. So that's not my works, people, because I mean, I have every machine there. So you have nothing you want to shout out?
Yes, more shout out my IG, TA with 3S and 3H dash. And my YouTube channel, TGJ Family.
Alright, I'm going to try to find her on YouTube and put her link in the description. And make sure you subscribe to her, you know. I want the whole on to go over there and show her some love. You know what thing already.
Yeah.
Alright, you don't know, say Kxng Nuke there. I'm there with.
Yeah, Kamina. You're speaking to Delisha over there.
Alright, Kamina and Delisha. So, first question me I ask you, what's your type?
My type with what? What kind of type you type?
No, man or woman.
Well, you know
no matter.
A man of my thing, you know?
Alright, so really question I want to ask today is, how heavy is the buff?
10 kilograms. It was just me.
So you already?
I mean, put up on the scale.
Oh God, man, you hear that already, so no one shout out.
Well, just want to pick up the people that no money now making like Corona, yes. So probably they are going
Yeah, you know, so we are free now, you and put tired of freak. You see me? Yeah, that's it, thank you guys.
Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah, big up yourself. Alright, back at you again, I don't know, say Kxng Nuke there, I'm there with
Kim.
Kim, first question me I ask you, what's your type?
It don't really matter, as long as you're nice and
Alright, look for me, so if me nice and easy going. No, look for my shoes, oh my God, I cannot do myself on the camera. Oh God, man.
No, yourself and look at you.
Alright, look for me good, suppose me nice. Me know say me suppose me nice there and thing, me can be a type,
Not real.
Cap.
Oh my God. Alright, me get one shape. Alright, anyways, so the real question more asked today is, how heavy is the buff?
I don't know. I never wait.
You never wait before, but in your brain, we don't say how much you don't be like. On a scale of 1 to 10.
I don't really know. Want to measure it?
If me, what?
You want to measure it?
Oh, say less.
Alright, come now.
No.
Alright, come in, try to come in. Come in, come show you the Instagram. I'm real fast.
She married a crow, Mazzy.
Alright, everybody, you don't know, so if you go follow her on the gram already. You see? Guys, you don't know, so Kxng Nuke there. I'm there with
Melissa, yeah?
Alright, I'm there with Melissa. First question I want to ask you, what's your type?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, the black chocolate.
Short chocolate or tall chocolate?
I like the in-between.
So, mine, look for me, me too short?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, alright, that's a life go still. Short man cut down a big tree, but anyways.
Yeah.
So, the real question I want to ask today is, how heavy is the buff?
Well, heavy.
5 million pounds.
Yeah, my G.
I just see, so you drop a gun, so. Oh my God, oh my, hey, can't manage them with the people, you know you think already. You have no, you want to shout out?
We want to shout out now. Big up to all of my friends, them know my face when them see me, them won't know see me, yeah.
Alright, big up to all our friends, them I don't know, so I'm out. Yo, mommy just done do her surgery still. In the streets, a public interview with them. In the streets, in the dog. In the business, man, in the streets, just a shake dog. I swear. Day night town from morning. I really get 5 somebody for interview, bro. In the streets, rough dog. I'm sure you, man. My phone are dead.
Do you have credit?
Yeah, I have credit.
Give Andrea a call.
Really? I'm a good hunting. She do her surgery today. Yeah, so I'm tired, dog. I swear. Not even with my yard, I'm not there. I'm going to my auntie yard, I'm there. So I'm going to my yard. Swear. Yeah, guys, so open and enjoy every day as you. I'm tired, dog.
Oh, yeah.
I record one video. I'm tired. You see me, where be like from where be from before 12 and about 8:30, 9 o'clock, you know. We just reach up on all the 5 somebody will get you rough in the streets, though, I swear. You see it, especially when you just start the public interview with them and nobody know you. And because of them I talk up their mouth, you see me? You don't see me much after this too, because I know I'm tired. You can't see it in my eyes, I'm tired. You can't see something tired. You see it? Look, when you're going to go and chill, you know? Think already. Dog, probably dark still, but I don't care. Tired dog, I swear. So I say no. Just open and enjoy every day. You see me, Happy New Year again. Today, the video go upload the today how much?
4th.
The 4th. Video go upload the 6th. Happy New Year's. And today is 6th. You see it? When you see the video is 6th. You see me? So Happy New Year, see you. And open and enjoy yourself. You see, protect on yourself and carry on and then shit there, you see me? I don't know, so maybe a piece. My other intro go play like 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we have reached the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new. You see me? Make sure so you're not telling your grandmother and telling your auntie and your uncle them when you know anything already. Kxng Nuke out. And remember, I do an iPhone 7 giveaway with everything in the description and you enter giveaway. Just do everything. You see me? Send me proof on IG. You don't know, say enter giveaway if you win the iPhone 7. You don't know.